Alright, welcome to your channel. Alireza Sonic is here. I'm coming back with three useful and nice combination of footworks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to improve your length, weight, and follow the Eight, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go for other combination. The other combination is start with crazy leg. Let's go. Boom. Switch. The other side. Boom. This one is on toe, and this one on here. Boom. And again switch your weight. Boom. Together 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Next step. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Nice. After sliding your leg, come back to this position again, and this part is a little harder than the other steps, so focus. 1 and 2 and again, 1 and 2 and again, repeat. 1 and 2 and boom, 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 boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Nice. Let's try to do all the steps together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Nice. Let's go for the other steps. Turn. This one here and this one go. And turn like this. swipe your leg, come here, and this leg is on toe, switch, so boom, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. Nice. Next step, kick out to this side and take your knee to down. Boom. Okay, together 5, 6, 7, 8. So slow. 1, 2, 3. Go down. 4, 5, 6. Kick out. Take down. And switch your leg and sit on your knee. And turn your knee. And again. So focus on my knee. Don't do this. Whoop, turn, and turn. Again. Boom, boom, and try to stand up. Boom. Kick out. Go down. Sit on your knee. Switch, switch. Boom. Try to all the steps together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go on the beat. I hope to be useful this video for you guys, and I need your opinion in comments for motivating me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and wait for other key moves and my advice for all dancers and especially popping dancers. Have a nice day and night.